Before we touch foot on this property, I need you to mellow out. Because that is exactly what happens here at Mello on the Beach. This newly renovated beach resort is where you can find freedom from all things stressful. Families, couples, solitary souls, all are welcome to this retro refuge. Mello offers 1, 2, and 3-bedroom rentals, all pet-friendly. They have 11 units to choose from, and each one is vibrantly decorated to reflect the colors of the sea, sand, and sunsets. And they all have playful names. This one is Looney Dunes, and this one is Vitamin C. You know me, I love a pun. Let's check out the amenities. This place has everything you need to enjoy a truly relaxing vacation. All units are equipped with beach chairs, this chic personal cooler bag, and a beach umbrella. Whoops, sorry, umbrella. Follow me to this 3-bedroom, 2-bath. They call this room High Tide. Pure delight is what you'll feel stepping into the bright, spacious High Tide suite. The fresh white background plays perfectly with jewel-bright pops of modern color. With a Palm Springs-inspired design style, everywhere you look, you'll see something cool. From the colorful terrazzo countertops, mod tiles, 1950s-style tulip chairs, that giant loungy couch, nostalgic phones that actually work. Leave your worries behind at the ideal location to start, spend, and end the day: the pool. Time for a quick dip. Just gonna toss this baby in there. Oh, try again. Ah. So mellow. On the other side, you'll find the lawn. This green space is a place where guests can play games and hang out. Let's see if I still got it. Nailed it. Okay, let me grab this one. Oh no. Jenga! Plus, Mello's private access pathway is just a few flip-flop steps away from powdery white sandy beaches.